Hi guys, here at Hykeham Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane. And this time I'm actually getting the crossing going down. As it's time for our 12:26 stopping East Midlands train service to Grimsby Town. This is for the dinner rush for Tuesday the 22nd of July 2014. And here's a 3. What 3 is it? It's probably 321 because that was on Peterborough yesterday. Oh hello, it's 153383. Who I haven't seen in a while. (153) to Grimsby. There it goes, and that's it.